Hello everyone, welcome to the course. In the previous video, we have successfully start our Node.js server. In this video, I am going to show you how to create the database file or how to connect with the database. So let's start. Now create the new folder called db, then add new file index.js. Now declare the variable for Mongoose equals to required Mongoose. Now, for reading .env file, we can use require.netev.config. Now, constant mongo URL equals to process dot env dot mongo URL. So we can get the URL from our environment files. Now I'm going to create the connection function connect db async. Now use try catch is the best practice to use in every function, the try catch. Now await dot connect, and then we have to give the URL, and then we can write console dot log database connection. In the same way, I can write here for error also. If we got any error or database is not connected, then we can write connection fail error dot message. Now I'm exporting this connection, so module dot exports is equals to this. So in this way, I have created the MongoDB connection files. Now I have to utilize this file in our server.js. In the server.js file, I have to write constant connect db is equals to require db. Then I'm going to use this here. Wait, now it giving some error. I have to go here and check the configuration undefined database is connection. So I got this message data got connection. So this means we have successfully connected to the database. In the next video, I am going to create the model for the customer. Thank you for watching this video.